Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to create a seller account as a beginner in affiliate marketing. There are many platforms where you can register as an affiliate. Many platforms you can register in order to promote your brands, but I'm going to create an account with Selar because Selar gives us more free options more than so many other platforms like Digistore, Espania. You need to pay a token before you become an affiliate. Even Selar, you have to pay a token before you become an affiliate. But I'm going to show you on how you can maneuver that payment, or let me say on how you can start promoting even though you don't have the money to pay. Just a one-time payment, 3,000 naira, you pay on Selar dashboard to become an affiliate. So let's just get started. This is my browser now. I'm going to type Selar. I'm going to type Selar, selar.com, selar.com, and you click search. Allow you to open. Okay, it has opened up to this place. You can say make more sales, the best way to sell your digital product online. So start selling with Selar. If you have your account already, you can just log in. I have an account already, but I'm going to, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a new account. I'm going to walk you through on setting a new account. So you're going to click on start selling with Selar. You click on start selling with Selar, and it opens up to this dashboard. Join 1.5 million plus Selar users today. You can see they have more than 1.5 million persons selling on Selar account. Create your Selar account. Already have account, you can log in. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a new account. So I'm going to create an account for myself. Okay, once you create your account, I have created my account. Once you create your account, it will bring it down to this place, and you are going to see add your account details. You can go ahead and add your account details, and at this place there's no problem if you use affiliate profile or creator profile or customer profile, because on this dashboard you can still switch to any of the profile. Look at the top side here, you can see affiliate profile. You click on affiliate profile, you can switch to a creator, you can switch to a customer profile. So I'm going to leave it on a affiliate profile. Okay, very quickly you're going to click on access affiliate marketplace. You click on it. Okay, as you can see here, earn extra income promoting other people's products. Then you click on get started. Okay, look at what they are telling us here. You need to make payment to continue. Get access to the biggest network of digital product creators and earn money when you recommend their products to your audience. So look at the amount you're going to pay. Affiliate network, join thousands promoting top digital products, 3,000 naira a year. So if you made the payment, you will see something like this. It will bring you into this interface. Look at here, you can see product here. You can see affiliate product here. Look at this one is credit alert ebook. You can see affiliate product here. If you know about the product you want to promote, you go come to this search bar. In case if you don't know the course you want to promote, you can see the course on this marketplace. Look at this one is hot product. This one is their hot product, mobile video editing course. You can see product here. If the one you're looking for is not here, very quickly you scroll down to look at these categories. This one is wealth and finance. This one is other business. This one is other content and media. This one professional. This one art and crafts. You can see. Let me assume you want to promote a course under content creation. Yeah, you want to promote a course under content creation. Then you click on content and media. You click on it, on content and media. Then it will bring you to that marketplace under category, other content and media category. You can see graphic design bundles. This one is being sold at 1,000 naira, and you get commission of 50% as an affiliate. Once you promote this course, once somebody buy through your affiliate link, you get a commission of 50%. This one is flyers design tips, 4,000 naira. You get commission of 20% once someone buy enroll in this course or ebook through your affiliate link. Look at this one, engagement template pack, so that the price of 9,000 naira and commission price is 30%. You can see. Okay, let me use this learn Amazon KDP. Look at this one now, Amazon KDP. It's being sold at the price of 12,000 naira and the commission is 10%, which is very poor. You can see the review, zero review. An affiliate that really know what he or she is doing, I'm sorry to say it, will not even look at this product, because of the commission is very poor. So look at the ones that have the high commission and reviews and high reviews, which people are buying from it, and high and sales. So okay, let me say this one has seven sales already. This one is crazy 14-day 7k blueprint, 70k blueprint. It's being sold at the price of 8,000 naira and the commission is 50%, which means once you promote this course, you are getting 4,000 naira out of the 8,000. The creator will be having 4,000 naira, and you as an affiliate will have 4,000 naira. So how will you get your own link? Look at this place, get link. You click on it and get affiliate link. You are required to be an affiliate of crazy 14-day 70k blueprint for 50% commission. So once you click on this, let me click it for the sake of this video. Okay, as you can see, thank you for your request to be an affiliate of crazy 14-day 7k blueprint for 50%. As you can see, once someone buys or enroll in this course or get this ebook, whether it's ebook or what is it called, course, I don't know about it. So once someone get this course or ebook through your affiliate link, this link you are seeing now is unique. There's no other affiliate marketer that have this link. It's only you. Once someone click this link and get this course, you are getting your commission of 4,000 naira. So that's what makes you an affiliate. It's very simple to become an affiliate. There's no much thing to be an affiliate. So in case if you want to know more about affiliate, because for you to make sales on this platform, or for you to be an affiliate, you must know your audience. Every product have its own customers. There are people that are looking for this particular product. Look at this one, is Photoshop essentials for beginners. There are people looking on how to design with Photoshops. There are people looking for these particular things you are promoting here, like this Amazon KDP. Whereas you look at this Amazon KDP, there are people that are looking for how to learn Amazon KDP. So if you get this course now and send it to them, you are making your commission, you are making your money as an affiliate. So if you want to learn how others, look at, as you can see the screen, look at people making sales every single day because of these simple proven steps that you yourself. It's very easy. For the fact you are using TikTok, you are using Facebook, you are using Instagram, you are using WhatsApp, you yourself can also make these same sales. But the thing there is just that you need the right coach, you need the right information for you to get all these things done. So if you're interested, go to the pinned comment or the description, anywhere you see this video, or the description, and click on the link and join my Telegram channel, where I will show beginners how you can promote and get your customers and get people click on your link and purchase through you. So in case if you're interested, click on the link and join me inside. See you inside.